Hello everyone, my name is Chef Asaf Baker. Today I'm going to talk to you about Fabumin powder, which is a 100% natural, plant-based, sustainable egg substitute. Today we're going to use this powder to make 3 different products. We're going to make one solution to prepare a sponge cake, we're going to make a rich chocolate mousse, and we're going to make pipe meringues. Let's begin. We're going to start by adding to our mixer bowl some water, the Fabumin powder, and for the recipes we're going to add some sugar and mix it all together with a whisk. Notice how I'm using a very small amount for my 3 recipes. Notice the texture of the solution. It resembles the texture of natural egg. I'm going to add it to my mixing bowl. To our Fabumin solution, we're going to add some all-purpose flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt, sugar, and milk. We're going to flavor it with some lemon zest and some vanilla paste. Let's mix it all together. And we're going to add some coconut oil, which you can substitute with any fat that you prefer. I melted the oil, mix until it's all incorporated. Notice how easy it is to use the Fabumin. There's no extra actions needed here. Also, it's very versatile and I can substitute any of the ingredients like the milk, for example. I can use plant-based milk, and also the fat. I can use any fat that I prefer. One of the advantages of the Fabumin powder is that, just like natural eggs, it gives us a nice aerated texture to our cake, as well as a lot of moisture. So the result of our cake is going to be a nice, aerated, light and fluffy cake, yet very nice and moist inside. Now we're going to transfer the cakes into the oven, 165 degrees Celsius for approximately 35 to 40 minutes until we feel it's nice and spongy. While our cakes are in the oven, let's get back to our Fabumin solution. We're going to continue whipping the Fabumin solution, and we're going to use it for our chocolate mousse next. This is our Fabumin solution after whipping for a good 5 minutes. Unlike eggs, we have no fear of over whipping, so I can even whip it more and it won't separate. We still have some leftover Fabumin solution, which we're going to whip again later on to make our meringues. We're going to add our whipped Fabumin solution to our hot melted chocolate. So notice that when we talk about mousse, one of our concerns is the fact that with regular eggs, we have a concern of allergens and also bacteria and contamination. Fabumin helps us make a mousse which is completely safe for pregnant women or people with allergies. We have our hot chocolate here, and we're going to add 1/3 of our whipped Fabumin into the hot chocolate. Another advantage of the Fabumin is that you can mix it into a hot mixture and it won't hurt the whipping process. Look how nicely it emulsifies with our chocolate, which is a fat content, and our Fabumin has moisture in it, yet they still mix very nicely together to reach a beautiful smooth texture. And then we're going to add the rest of our whipped Fabumin, and we're going to fold it gently to get a rich, velvety, smooth chocolate mousse. Let's transfer our mousse into a piping bag. Beautiful, smooth, shiny texture. We're going to take the leftover Fabumin solution and we're going to continue whipping it and add some more sugar while whipping to make our meringues. We have a strong and durable whip using a very small amount of Fabumin powder, and we have a beautiful, smooth whip which is completely neutral in taste and very strong in texture. going to transfer it to the oven at 100 degrees Celsius for about an hour to an hour and a half until it's completely dry. Okay, so as you can see, today we used Fabumin powder, a small amount, to create 3 different products. Our powder is cost-effective, it's allergen-free, and it's completely versatile. So here we have our sponge cake, which is beautifully aerated and nice and moist inside. Our chocolate mousse, rich and airy.
Wonderful meringue with a beautiful texture. Enjoy Fabumin.